KHNAM candidate Raymond Basayamite appealed to voters in Mawkhar-Pynthorumkhrah for their support in the upcoming elections. Basayamite focused on his party's commitment to protecting indigenous rights and improving economic opportunities for Khasi youth. He promised to introduce stronger regulations on non-Khasi traders. Basayamite also pledged to address issues affecting local communities. His campaign emphasized the need for more job opportunities and sustainable development. The local response to his campaign has been positive.
Ladang job, yagani election, banganya ki, banganya khun, banganya sai, nakamanta, kiai kijinge, dibangi kendu, angkai hadis konsen. Kaanai keladang lupa, henai nele, ladang job, nele, batpen scam, batpen san shushu, yagai kepangiladan.
Deputy Chief Minister Snyabhalang Dhar visited